Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer project ownership to someone else in Lovable AI. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your projects and account options. If you're not already on the dashboard, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main workspace before moving on. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on All Projects. This section shows the projects connected to your account, making it easier to find the one you want to manage. If you have several projects, take a moment to identify the correct one before continuing, since ownership changes are important and should be done carefully. Next, find the project you want to transfer. On that project card or row, click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional project actions that aren't shown directly on the main project list. After opening it, choose Settings. This will take you into the project's Settings page, where more advanced options are available. Inside Settings, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you find the Transfer Ownership section. This area is specifically for changing who officially owns the project. It's a good idea to review the page carefully at this stage so you're sure you're in the correct project before making the transfer. When you're ready, click Transfer. This will open the transfer form or prompt. In that prompt, click the New Owner dropdown. The dropdown allows you to select the person who will become the new owner of the project. From there, either choose the appropriate person from the list or use the search option to find them more quickly. If your workspace includes multiple collaborators, searching can save time and help prevent selecting the wrong person. Make sure you choose the correct recipient, since ownership transfers can affect who controls project settings and access going forward. After you've selected the new owner, review the choice one final time. When everything looks correct, click Confirm Transfer. This completes the ownership transfer process. And that's it. The project ownership has now been handed over to the selected person in Lovable AI. As a final tip, it's always smart to communicate with the new owner before and after the transfer so everyone is aligned on responsibilities, permissions, and any next steps related to the project.